So, you want to become an AI engineer? It's one of the hottest jobs out there, seriously reshaping just about every industry we can think of. If you've been wondering, how do I even get started? Well, you've come to the right place. We're going to lay out the entire roadmap for you, right here, right now. Okay, so why is everyone so excited about this role? Let's just start with a number, shall we? This right here is the median salary for an AI engineer in the United States. And yeah, that's a pretty clear signal of how valuable these skills are. But honestly, the money is just the beginning of the story. The demand is just exploding. I mean, look at this. In just the first 3 months of 2025, job postings for AI roles shot up by more than 25% compared to the year before. This isn't just some slow-moving trend. It's a full-on gold rush for talent, and companies are scrambling to find people who can build the future. And this isn't just happening in Silicon Valley. It's everywhere. A staggering 78% of companies around the world are now using AI in some way. That means the skills we're about to talk about aren't just for the tech giants. They're needed in healthcare, in finance, in retail, you name it. AI is becoming the new engine for modern business.
Okay, so the demand is off the charts. We get it. But what does an AI engineer actually do? Let's start by defining our destination. What we're aiming for.
At its core, an AI engineer is a builder. Simple as that. They're the architects, the developers who actually create the systems that can mimic human intelligence. We're talking about systems that learn from data, see patterns, and make decisions to solve real, tangible problems out there in the world.
Now, a question I hear all the time is, wait, isn't that just a data scientist? And it's a great question, but there's a key difference. Think of it like this. A data scientist is like a detective, digging through data to find crucial clues and insights. The AI engineer, they take those clues and build the high-tech gadget that solves the case. They turn the research into a real, working application that people can use.
So we know our destination. Now, what do you need to pack for the trip? Let's talk about building your AI toolkit, the absolute essential skills you're going to need for this journey. What I love about this is how it breaks down where you should put your energy. Look at that. 40%, the biggest piece of the pie, is programming. That's your foundation. Right behind that is the real heart of AI, machine learning and deep learning. And holding it all together is a solid understanding of math and statistics. Let's break each of these down. First things first, programming. And in the world of AI, Python is king. There's just no debate. It's simple, it's powerful, and its libraries are just incredible for AI work. Sure, other languages like R or C++ have their uses, but Python is your non-negotiable starting point. And of course, you got to know your way around Git and GitHub. It's how pretty much all software development gets done collaboratively. Next up, the engine that makes it all run. Math. Now, don't get nervous. You don't have to be a pure mathematician, but you do need to get the concepts. Linear algebra, that's the language of data. Calculus, that's how our models learn and get better over time. And probability and statistics? Well, that's how we understand uncertainty and make smart predictions. And all that brings us to the core of your toolkit, machine learning and deep learning. This is where the magic really happens. It's where you learn how to teach machines to learn from data. You'll start with the basics, like supervised and unsupervised learning, and then move on to these incredibly powerful structures like neural networks. And then transformers, which is the mind-blowing tech behind things like ChatGPT. All right, we know our destination and we've packed our toolkit. Now for the main event, the part you've been waiting for. Here is your step-by-step roadmap to landing your first role as an AI engineer. Here it is, your 7-step path from zero to hired. Let's walk through it real quick. 1. You start by building a rock-solid foundation in programming. 2. You layer on that essential math. 3. You dive deep into machine learning. 4. You get hands-on with the actual tools and frameworks pros use every day. 5. You can formalize that knowledge with courses or certifications. Step 6, and this one is absolutely critical. You build real projects to create a portfolio. And finally, step 7, you're ready to start applying. This is your blueprint. And I really can't stress this enough. Knowing the theory is one thing, but employers want to see what you can do. Your GitHub profile, that's your new resume. Competing on a platform like Kaggle, that proves you can handle messy, real-world data. And building a project from beginning to end shows that you can not just start something, but you can finish it and deliver a real solution. So, you've followed the map, you've put in the work, and you've landed the role. What does that future actually look like? In this last section, let's explore what's waiting for you at the destination and beyond.
The rewards are obviously great, but they're also global. This isn't just a US phenomenon. Whether you're in India, the UK, Singapore, or anywhere in Europe, the salaries for AI engineers show just how in demand this skill set is all over the world.
And what about the long-term outlook? Well, the numbers are just mind-boggling. Projections show that AI could add nearly $20 trillion to the global economy by 2030. When you're working in a field with that kind of economic gravity, you're not just getting a job. You're building a future with incredible stability and room to grow.
Now let's tackle that big question in the room. Is AI going to replace engineers? The people leading the charge say no, and this quote says it perfectly. Think of AI as a productivity accelerator. It's not here to replace you, it's here to empower you. It's a tool that will let you solve bigger problems faster than ever before.
So there you have it. The demand is undeniable, the role is defined, and the path is laid out right in front of you. The map is officially in your hands. So the only real question left is, where will your AI journey begin?